A woman excitedly tells her husband their constant arguments are over, thanks to their new smart fridge. The fridge gives her advice every time she opens it. Take a deep breath. It's not worth it. Seeing how calm she is now, she tells her husband, "Maybe the fridge can fix your temper too?" He agrees. The next day, he opens the fridge, takes a deep breath, and says, "You're right. I'm over it." Later that night, she catches him at 2 a.m. opening the fridge and whispering, "My wife is wrong. My wife is wrong. My wife is wrong."